banana kick, open, side by side banana kick, open, side by side banana kick, open.
I'm just messing it. शुरू करें?
हाँ.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a traditional banana bread recipe. It's going to be super easy, super delicious, and it's one of our mom's favorite recipes. And तो कुछ बोलने वाली है या तो सिर्फ खाती रहेगी?
Let's just get quick creating.
Subscribe का ही बोल लेती यार.
Now let's start with our banana bread recipe by taking a big mixing bowl, and then we're gonna throw in some overripe bananas to it. We have used 3 overripe bananas, and this is the best way to make use of them. Using a fork, you're gonna mash the bananas like so until a baby food consistency is formed. Then we're gonna take some flavorless oil and we're gonna throw in there along with our overripe bananas. Then we're gonna put in some dahi or plain yogurt. This is completely optional, but it will give a moist texture to your banana bread, so we've used it. Now using a whisk, we're gonna whisk all the wet ingredients until well combined. Once that's done, we're gonna take a big sieve and then we're gonna put in our maida or plain flour. You can also use atta instead of maida here. But traditionally, a banana bread is made using maida. Then we're gonna put in some powdered sugar. Now make sure that you don't put in too much of powdered sugar out there because the bananas will already give a lot of sweetness to our banana bread. Then we're going to put in our baking powder and baking soda to give that banana bread a good rise. Once that's done, we're going to sift in all the ingredients well to remove any lumps. And then using a whisk, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients along with the wet ingredients. It's time to add our milk. We're going to use half a cup of milk. Make sure that you don't use too much of that milk because the consistency would be too thin or flowy and the banana bread would turn up too moist or too dense. You just want the right amount of consistency for this batter. Now it's time to add cinnamon powder, Elaichi powder or cardamom powder, and vanilla essence. Now traditionally in a banana bread only cinnamon powder is added, which is also completely optional, but we have also given it a twist using Elaichi powder since it's our mom's favorite. Now using a spatula we're going to mix all the ingredients well until just combined, and then we're going to throw in some chopped toasted walnuts to it. This would give a good crunch to our banana bread. Once all the batter is well combined, we're going to take a loaf pan greased well with butter and lined well with parchment paper or butter paper, and then we're going to throw in all our batter into it. Now using a spatula, we're going to even the surface out so that it cooks evenly. Then we're going to tap the tin to remove any air bubbles, and it's time to bake. We're going to bake it in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick when inserted comes out clean. Now we're going to let our banana bread cool off completely until we take it out on a plate. Our banana bread has cooled completely, and using a bread knife or a serrated knife, let me show you what's inside the banana bread. Just look at it guys, it is crispy on the outside, moist on the inside, just how you want it. The Elaichi powder and the cardamom powder have enhanced all the flavors of the banana bread. The bananas have given it a good sweet taste. We urge you all to make this recipe. Our mom enjoys 2 or 3 slices of warm banana bread along with black coffee. Let us know in the comment section down below how you enjoy your banana bread. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Facebook to check out these beautiful pictures of the banana bread and more such tasty and delightful recipes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this recipe. If you want to see more such delicious quick creations along with a little bit of our overacting, then tap out here. If you want to see any entertaining content on our channel, then tap out here. And if you want to see more such entertaining videos, then let us know in the comment section below.
Also guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button right here, click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we come up with a new quick creation. And that's it for today guys, we'll see you next time. Bye!